Hello and welcome to Bitcoin 10x. Hi there guys, so today we are releasing the Coval AMA with Polygon. I'm very surprised. I did check on YouTube yesterday, which would have been the 8th of June, and the AMA was on the 28th of May. So I'm very surprised that there's not a video already. Now, I was calling out to Polygon on their Telegram channel, their Telegram community, for a copy of the transcript. But luckily I recorded the AMA on the 28th of May. So I'm just going to talk through it and show you what Coval have got planned and what Coval is absolutely capable of right now. Now, they are multi-network NFT platform where they can cross-network between platforms, which you'll see in the AMA. So let's get to it. Into Telegram we go. So my name's Dan. I'm in the group. You'll see my name pop up inside the AMA. And then partway through, there I am right in the middle, Dan Ashby transcript. We will start in here shortly, Shannon code. There you go, thanks Shannon. I'd just like to point out at the top where it says Polygon, previously known as Matic, 49,902 members, and by the end of the AMA, they smashed 50,000 members. Desktop Commando, really good at plugging Coval in the Coval Telegram group. So if you wanted to head over there, the link is in description, and you can add Coval to Telegram. Similarly, I will put Polygon's group in the description too. So Matic is available on Binance. Coval will be in the future, and then they switch off the comments, and then we will lead straight into the AMA. There we are. It just confirms. Hello everyone. We will begin the AMA shortly. So comments are switched off, and here we go. Now, it was actually Chinmay that I reached out to ask for the Telegram transcript, and they just didn't release it. I reached out to them 3 times. So a little bit of a failure on Polygon's part, but not taking away anything at all from Polygon's technology. Fantastic. Chinmay just writing a message. Now, there will be a little bit of a surprise in this AMA, is that you can see people joining Polygon during the AMA. There are 1 or 2 surprises as the AMA goes on, and I will point those out. So Shannon, fantastic, and congrats on the integration with Google. So Polygon recently just integrated with Google. So please tell us a little bit about yourself and how Coval, Circuits of Value, Coval, and Emblem. So Shannon says, so when asked about Circuits of Value, this is what Shannon starts off with. Around 2013, I started working for a company that wanted to universalize stored value on loyalty cards by bringing them to the blockchain. During a pivot by the company, they were going to abandon the currency they had developed, which was Ribbit Rewards, and I talked to them into giving the code base over to me. I then renamed Ribbit Rewards to Circuits of Value, moved the token to Counterparty, and began experimenting with writing crypto-based applications. I'm a lifelong software developer, self-taught. I've been writing code since I was a little kid. I love the code so much that I changed my last name to Code. Brilliant. Fun fact. We designed a system by which private key was derived in secret and turned into cryptocurrency addresses, and then minted an NFT and attached the encrypted keys along with the plain text addresses, allowing anyone to essentially treat the NFT or vault like a portable, transferable wallet. So essentially, guys, this is a digital wallet that you can transfer between peer-to-peer and network to network, so you can officially now go from ERC over to Polygon's network, and you can secure any number of tokens within an NFT. So you can throw a Bitcoin in, Ethereum, Matic, Mana, anything, and any number of tokens in one NFT, and then you transfer that NFT over to someone else, peer-to-peer or network to network, securely and very cheap indeed. I think it costs 300 Coval, and as the Coval price goes up, Shannon has actually got the ability to lower the price of Coval because obviously he designed it. So let's continue. We realise that this Emblem Vault idea is analogous to a container envelope box that can in very unique ways enable cross-chain swaps. There you go, ERC over to Matic, multi-asset transactions, and much more. I digress, we'll continue. For note history, one of our early experiments involved making automation using Zapier, and one of the earliest automations utilised a service called Dagger. the old Matic project. Now you'll see as each time he names something on the platform on Telegram, I actually go and open up a web browser, and then I do separate research myself. It's a very fun thing to do if you're interested in doing your own research on all of these projects. And then obviously Chime's just asking, tell us a little bit more about Emblem and its features. That's it. Fast forward a few years and trying to solve a problem of how to make crypto addresses without knowing the keys, Emblem Vault was born. That's awesome. That's interesting. So we designed a system by which private keys derived in secret and turned into cryptocurrency address or addresses, and then minted an NFT and attached the encrypted keys along with the plain text addresses, allowing anyone essentially to treat an NFT or a vault like a portable, transferable wallet. So essentially you can put any number of tokens inside an NFT. So you can put 2 Bitcoin, 20 Ethereum, 400 Cardano, whatever that is. You can actually stick it all under an NFT and then make it transferable by sending it from peer-to-peer, from ERC over to Matic. For a little history, one of our early experiments involved making automation using Zapier, and one of the earliest automations utilised a service called Dagger. Now you notice as the AMA goes forward, I do actually open up the tabs and I do take a read after the AMA, so it's a fun fact for you to go in and actually do all the reading yourself, and you can really see where Coval fits in. There's about 7 or 8 different tabs that I open, and I'll put all the links in the description for you. So features, it can hold many different types of asset. At creation time, a BTC and EVM based address is generated. We have since enabled the ability to generate other addresses after creation, such as Doge, DGB and more. Any cryptocurrencies sent to the addresses are then reflected in the balance section of the vault. We support many different EVM chains as well, along with Omni and XCP. Again, I go and open up these tabs. It's a worthy read just to see how powerful Coval is. So there we are. I've opened up Zapier.com, and that will be in the description for you, and Omni Layer and XCP. So at creation time, you have the ability to choose to make the addresses and therefore the contents of the vault hidden. Anyone viewing the vault on our site or any other wallet that supports NFT assets will not be able to see the contents of the vault. There is a password field in the private vaults that will encrypt the addresses and query for balances. This means you can essentially create private tokens out of any blockchain token. So cross network, so you can have anything that's on the Binance network across Tron, although I think they're still implementing Tron, but this is just kind of hearsay at the moment until all of the networks actually adopt circuits of value. But essentially you can take anything on, let's say, Polkadot, Cardano, Matic, ERC, any of the networks, and put multi-chain networks and assets underneath one NFT with circuits of value. Very clever, very, very clever. At creation time, you have the ability to include hidden data within the vault. The data is not available once the vault is open. Emblem Vault was one of the first NFTs that allowed the use of embed links instead of just images and videos. This opens up a world of possibilities as to the types of NFT one can make with Vault. Our newest feature allows you to include 2 embed links at creation time, one for general viewing and the second for the actual Vault owner. This can be used for quite a few interesting NFTs as well. For example, we have a Vault that when viewed by most people, they can see a trailer for the movie Terminator, while the actual owner of the NFT can view the entire movie. This NFT can be transferred and the new owner can view this actual movie. So they can literally hide a 2-hour movie inside an NFT, and you become the owner of that so long as the URL to that original movie stays active. So you can transfer it from one person to another, and you can watch an NFT for, let's say, £2 because you've become the owner of that link, of that vault. One of the exciting uses we have been helping with lately is the ability to rescue assets or allow them to be movable on new blockchain. Counterparties such as Rare Peeps, arguably one of the earliest NFT assets. So I'll go over to Counterparty. It's worth $3 at the time of the video. By creating a vault on Polygon, loading the vault up with XCP Pepe assets, the owner can now sell, trade, transfer these counterparty NFTs simply using any Polygon wallet. And there it is. There's the drop. There is the AMA and Coval is integrated with Polygon and any particular wallet. Fantastic. Now, here is the prize of this video for watching for this long. Hey there, CZ Binance, welcome to Polygon. CZ from Binance.com joins the Polygon Telegram group. Fantastic. All because of the Coval network, or because of the Coval NFT technology, he joins halfway through the AMA. Now, what does that tell you? If CZ adopted Coval will go to the moon, trust me. Emblem Vault is deployed across many EVM-based networks, allowing this wrapping, so to speak, of assets from chain to chain with ease. Vaults can even contain other vaults, Inception style, a vault within a vault. Amazing. This tech is Inception. It is incredible. Now, let's say someone is interested in the contents of the vault. Once they have acquired the vault, they have the option to claim it, which essentially burns the NFT and delivers the keys for the addresses within the vault. Since the NFT is burned, it can never again be transferred. As you can see, what we've really built is a multi-blockchain envelope that can contain many crypto things and anything to do with crypto, and enable some creative features which can be configured in many ways, enabling the easy creation of some powerful NFTs. This is incredible technology, guys. So I do go and test this later. I do open up a Polygon wallet and do some testing myself. It is a potential for me to do a separate video. If you want me to do a separate video on this, go down to the comment section, leave me a comment, just tell me that you want to see this technology work. And then Shannon says, give yourself some time to recover from the brain melt I've just delivered. And when you realise the crazy possibilities utilised in the vaults. And CZ Binance has read this. CZ Binance has read this. Jinmei, this indeed is true. So many awesome features. Polygon realised it first. So here's just an example of Emblem.finance's website, and on there you can go and view trailers and look at all the NFTs that are currently available for sale. And then they do say, for examples of things that can be done with the vault, here's the link, and that link will be available in the description also. And Shannon says, so imagine a famous YouTube personality using the multiple embed feature. Publicly it's some pretty picture, but to the owners of the NFT, it's an exclusive chat room that only the NFT owners can participate in with a celebrity. I'd buy that if it was the right personality. Perfect. That's it. That is a crazy little feature. So you can essentially send an NFT to a multiple embed feature, sit in a chat room just like Telegram like this now, and just talk to the person you've sent it to. That would be crazy technology. That's essentially sticking Twitter inside an NFT. That's amazing. So making a vault private and loading it with a collectible, selling it on websites such as Surprise Pack, where you can guarantee to get one rare, but sometimes you might get an epic collectible, emulating the trading card experience. So now think of the old football cards, sticker books and trump cards that you used to get on the playground at school, and one of them was shiny. It was always shiny. That's essentially what it's saying. You get one rare for free, basically, and an epic collectible, which is a collectible card that could be worth something in the future. So we just enabled our bridge to move Coval from the Ethereum to the Polygon and back. Coval Circuits of Value is the token used to pay for the vault creation. It's also available to purchase things using Transact or QuickSwap on Polygon. Okay, so they're saying basically this is a massive milestone for Coval, and what can we expect in the future? While we wait for that, this NFT on the left, Circuits of Value Web Fluid Vault, you can actually move your mouse and all of the colours are fluid and they move around with your mouse. Go and check it out, guys. Deadpool. Nice. So embeds inside NFT, and the introduction of this feature on the OpenSea is huge. NFTs that can behave differently for owners than everyone else, and it is also pretty exciting. We now store the metadata, images and balances on IPFS for permanent. We have deployed Emblem Vault and Coval on Ethereum, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, Phantom and xDai. We have designed the address generation in a way that makes adding support for new tokens and blockchain pretty trivial. Expect to see us continuing to deploy to other networks and enabling new token support. Our next high-level milestone is our move to secret network for all the key generation, encryption and decryption pieces. Blows your mind. Shortly we will be releasing a marketplace which enables the trading of any NFT for any other NFT, not limited to the vaults. So this is NFT swapping, so this is transferring one NFT over to another, and it's crazy big. These are this is where all the valuation is going to come from NFT. NFT has seen an explosion this year, and followed by that is all the meme coin explosion. And there's a lot of doubt between meme coins at the moment, and that the NFT market's going to fizzle out because of it. But guys, this is just the next step. This is the next leg up to the NFT technology, and Coval is actually leading that, and is actually leading the way on the NFT market. This marketplace will be deployed to all networks Emblem Vault supports, and that's basically the technology. So that is everything in a nutshell. So guys, Emblem Vault, Circuits of Value, Coval is huge. It's unrealized potential, and obviously with the recent Bitcoin dip, price is super low. Now there's price predictions on this that are crazy big. They're looking at 50 cents, maybe even $1 at some point this year. They've got a community drive, decent Telegram support. They do filter out, as with any Telegram group, they do filter out any bad noise, and it's a really good community. So guys, get on board, hit all the links in the description. And then a last point from Shannon: the NFT swap enables the OTC like DEX, where people can make their own pairing, enabling the asset to any asset swaps, along with any asset on the blockchain to swap to other assets on different chains, so that there's no limitation. So if you buy something on Ethereum right now, on the Ethereum network, you can buy something and it's essentially stuck there. It's very difficult to then swap that over to another network. Yeah, there are bridges out there, there's P Network, there's Binance Bridge and so forth, but you wrap it in an NFT. One, it's cheap. Two, it's unlimited. You can wrap any amount of tokens from any blockchain inside the NFT. Very important to remember. For example, I can load a vault on Polygon with Rare Pepe card and trade it for another vault that's loaded on the Ethereum network. Essentially, a cross-chain swap between XCP and Ethereum performed on the Polygon blockchain. The combination possibilities are mind-boggling. And again, there is an example of this where I'll put the link in the description. And then Chinmay responds, I think there are many in the community who would love to join Coval and stay up to date with all the news. What's the best way to keep in touch? Again, I'll put the links in the description, and here are some of the links. And then here they actually open up the questioning for the community. Now I'm only going to read out the ones that Shannon responds to, because for some reason Polygon has a filtration that kind of deletes some of the questions, and I'll read out my question, but Polygon for some reason removed it, saying that I can only talk about things that are not links and numbers and finance and so forth. But my question, as you will see, had nothing to do with that, so let's have a look. So as you can see right here, Polygon during the Coval AMA hits 50,000 members. So Sheriff asks what are the incentive points, and Shannon puts, currently all key generation and encryption features take place in the Google HSM hardware security module. The move to secret network will further decentralize them. Now I personally did a video on Coval, and I will also link that in the description. So I wrote a question that, like I say, got deleted. Sanaya says, you told us you're a co-developer. So Shannon responds, community involvement is a pretty big item on our bucket list. Since we are at the point where people can make things with Emblem Vault, we will be shifting from building features to building events, training material, and helping integrations. Hackathons are a great idea too, as well. So Sheriff asked a question about carbon emissions, but proof of stake solves that issue, and obviously Ethereum's moving over to proof of stake, and other tokens such as Polygon are already on proof of stake. So it's kind of an invalid question from Sheriff. A good question from Sukru. How strong is your security? We have worked to make things quite secure, but I am a security hobbyist, and I have spoken extensively about the blockchain and security. I am always open to enhancements and bug bounty. And obviously, because Shannon owns the business and he's a coder, he can do anything. He can write any code into Coval, so it's very interesting. So in your opinion, what's the best way for a newcomer to promote Coval? Well, this part is something I'm not an expert in. From my research, many successful NFT artists already have a community that they bring with them. Otherwise, newcomers will need to build the community in order to popularize their NFT. So in your opinion, what's the best way for a newcomer to promote an NFT? So I actually wrote a question. Say I wanted to put more than 2 NFTs and a rare card into one vault, is this possible? Thinking back to the football trading cards from the 90s, you buy 5 cards and one will be a special card. I think this would resonate with the millennials. Now, for some reason, as I post this message, as you'll see, post the message, and almost immediately, although you do see the message go through to the chat. User Dan has 1 of 3 warnings. Be careful. Reason: we don't allow price discussions here. You can use the unofficial price channel. So I have no idea why they removed it. My question was about, using 5 cards within an NFT and smashing it open, and then you're getting a rare card in there. So unsure what that was about. But Shannon does answer that question. But again, it does get removed, so I'll try and snapshot it shortly. And again this chap here called Luke is an active member in the Coval group, in the Coval Telegram group. His message was deleted. Ridiculous. Good question from David. So can you tell us a little bit about which kinds of experience in your building on Polygon, and what are the advantages of Coval working with Polygon? So Polygon really made things simple to deploy on Polygon by keeping it extremely like Ethereum as far as the APIs and other ways to interact with the network. Thanks to Metamask, the user experience from moving between Ethereum and Polygon is pretty simple. And then Desktop Commando. You can also, once funded a Polygon NFT, transfer the ownership of multiple tokens like Bitcoin and 2.1 seconds, and for the cost of 0.000007 gas. Super cheap, guys, super cheap. So in answer to my question, although it's come up with Dan has 1 warnings, it's actually Shannon's actually responding to my question about the NFTs and then wrapping the 5 cards in one and taking the special. So he says, yes, you can hold a load of vault with thousands of assets from any supported chain. Guys, it's unlimited, absolutely unlimited. You can have millions and tens of millions, even billions of dollars wrapped into one NFT, and you can transfer that anywhere for as cheap as that 0.000007 or whatever it is. It's the equivalent of I think 300 Coval in some cases. But guys, this is fantastic. So guys, I'm going to leave it there because that's obviously, I just wanted to cover my question and to show you that we've gone from the beginning of this year where we were just on the ERC network with the possibilities of moving across to other chains. Now Coval is actually moving across to other chains and it's unlimited. So the more people that adapt this NFT marketplace and use Coval, the more use cases there will be, and there's no limits behind the technology. Fantastic, guys. Join the groups, links in the description. I hope you like the video, guys. Like this video. It will be on Twitter, YouTube, Reddit, my Facebook, everywhere. Guys, start sharing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.